Right guys, so this is Davey Bennett here. First video, I'm going to be showing you what we're doing to the unit that we've just acquired. So initially, I've always done mobile car body work, paint work, but I've acquired a unit. I'm going to go over what needs to be done, and I'm going to record the process of me slowly doing the place up and getting it to where we want it to be. So I'm going to be recording all of that for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Something for you to sit back and just chill. I'm going to give you a walk around of what we've got to do. If you want to stick around and watch the rest of the videos, you're more than welcome to. If not, do you want? So yeah, let's get to it, and I hope you enjoy the short video. Cheers guys. So the reason I bought the spray machine gun is for basically, you see how we've tried to paint the wall with the roller? You see it's not getting most of the brick, well, a lot of the brickwork, you see. So I spent on Amazon about £300, maybe £350. I bought that machine that I've just showed you, and so as you can see it's all bitty, and I'm going to show you now what it will look like. The wall I'm going to show you now was far worse. There were loads of broken bits falling out. I'll quickly take you there now. So as you can see, the brickwork here, it's really falling apart. So rolling it with a roller was literally just making it all fall. But with the spray machine, I could literally spray the entire wall within 10 minutes. 10 minutes, no problem. The machine actually told me, the manufacturer said on Amazon, you do not need to thin the paint. Oh yes you do, because I nearly sent it back. I followed the instructions, don't thin the paint. And it sucked up initially, and it worked for about 5 seconds, and I thought, okay, it's broken. But I thought, okay, let's use my head here. I thinned it out, and I didn't do the back wall, I did the back wall with the roller. There was this wall and this bit here that I've used with the spray gun, and I've also used it to do the side bit here of the unit, as you can see. So I'm going to spray the rest of the unit as well, so it won't be this black colour. And I'll be doing the roller shutter in a red colour, and I'll be having a logo there. I'll be spraying the gates inside and out because I want it to look presentable. So if you have any recommendations of what colour I should do the gate, just let me know. It's been bending there, someone decided to reverse into it about 5 days ago, so that was nice of them. And I was here when they done it. Right, so I want to be spraying literally all the fencing as well, because I want it to look nice. The building itself, as you can see, there's holes here, holes there, so that needs all needs to be rectified, which it will be. So yeah, there's a lot to do here. And inside, well, I'll show you here first. So this ramp here, it was too short initially, and if I was to bring any cars in, I was just going to scrape literally every car that I'd take in, and they'd be scratching bumpers and underneath of the vehicle. So I've extended it. I think I'm going to extend it a bit more, because the left side of the ramp it gets quite high. So that's a job that needs to be done. We got the electrician in today, because the electrics is absolutely diabolical, so he's sorting that out. Here I'm going to have a spray booth. It's going to be, I wanted it 7 metres in length. I've only got 5 metres in length to play with, and 5 metres wide. So what I'm going to be doing is, as you can see, this metalwork here is just one ply, so it's really weak. I've temporarily put this up here because there's an actual hole there which I've fixed. So I've temporarily put this door and some timber, but that'll be coming down, and I've got some actual some wood that can go there. I've got it all cut up and everything's ready today, and I'll be doing the same here. I'm doing the same here. I don't need to worry about the back because it's all concrete. But yeah, so as you can see, the unit is literally just been thrown together. It needs a lot of work. The electrics, as you can see, are all over the place. So we've got an electrician to sort that out. The spray booth itself, I'm going to be doing 5 meters in length and 5 meters wide. And then on top, because there's going to be a lot of space wastage at the top, so I'm going to make a mezzanine as well. So I'll have some stairs from here going up, and it'll be the top half here, where I can have storage space, etc. But I'll need to somehow make it, what's the word I'm trying to look for? Because if I'm walking around up the top and I'm doing body work in the bottom, I don't want no dust to drop. So I need to really make it sealed off and make it nice and airtight. So if I do walk around at the top, I'm not going to make any dust or anything that can create debris that would fall onto any vehicles. So I bought these posts today. I've got 9 altogether, and I was going to put a post here, 4 posts along the sidewall, okay, and I'm going to put 4 posts on the right side here. But obviously first I'm going to make a base, so I need to get some more wood. So I'll make, where's my finger, so I'll make a line here with wood, going down here, and back down here, so it'll be a frame, and then I'll put the wood on top of that, and I'll do the same on the top. So I'll make basically a cube, and then for the top I'll be getting, you see this wood here, imagine that wood twice as, so you got this here, this size here, but imagine that twice as long, like that, sorry, twice as wide, should I say, and that'll be going literally across the top for the mezzanine, all the way across, so I can build like a platform on top, and then I'll have to build some stairs as well to go with that. But my main priority is to get this spray booth nice and airtight, because if you look on the floor, there's a lot of dust. So when I say a lot of dust, it's just countless. It's just everywhere. So I've got a lot to do. I hope I can do this place justice. Because I got it for a great price, and you can see why. On the outside, like I've already said, I'll be having a logo here. The shutter, I'll be doing red, and the actual unit itself, I'll be painting slate grey. Another fun fact about this place is there's actual water here, water piping, 2 taps here. There's a tap down the bottom, and it's not connected to nothing at all, so I've got no water. That needs to be sorted. As you can see, I gave it a test run. With a brush. It's not going to look nothing like that. It's going to look far better. That's just me messing about the other day. Yeah, I've got a lot to do, guys, so hopefully, touch wood, I can make the place look great. On the floor, what I've decided to do is put some gravel. As you can see, some gravel down there. It's supposed to be more of a red colour than that, but it's not, because I wanted the red to match the roller shutter, the signage, and I'll probably have 2 security posts. So I'll have 2 security posts, one here, one here, and then on the inside, to strengthen the inside, like I've already said, I've got this temporarily here. I'm going to take that down. I've got some wood that's been cut up ready. I'll be putting it all the way around to strengthen it. So yeah, I've got a lot to do. So I'm going to hopefully keep recording these and show you the journey that I'm on. Something new for me to do, and I thought, why not record it? So yeah, you guys can comment and laugh at how terrible the place is, because I already know that it is. But yeah, so I'm going to do my utmost best to make the place a lot better. So today's task, I'm going to be bringing in all this wood, putting it all here. I did want to start spraying the outside of the unit with the slate grey, but the electrician's here doing the electric, so I've got no electric. So I won't be able to use this machine. So that's what I'm painting the unit with. So it's actually really good. So I'm glad I bought that. About $3.50 off Amazon. I'll put the link in for that because it actually is really good. But you do need to thin the paint. If you don't thin the paint, it doesn't want to suck it up. And it won't spray it out. It sprays it out, it spits it out, and it doesn't do the job. So I literally 50-50 with water. Even though the advert says you don't have to do that, you do have to do that. Probably even more than 50-50 water, so it's probably 60% water, 40% paint. I did paint the side as a trial one because I wanted to get used to the gun, and I noticed that the paint comes out really fast, and I noticed that I was getting too close with the spray gun. Because I'm so used to using my spray gun for the cars, and I was using the same philosophy, paint the cars, to paint the outside of the unit, is to use paint gun, and I got runs. So I'm glad I did decide, because now I know not to get so close. I need to be about 16 inches away, something like that. So roller shutter, that wasn't working when I first cut. We've got that fixed now, we've got pushes for that. Right, let's put around the whole unit. Like I said, it's a bit of a shit show at the minute. So I've got the electrician coming in, fixing all that. Because we've got no electric, what I'm going to be doing today is the cement on the floor thing. Oh, and because we've got no water, yeah, you'll like this. I'm making cement using bottles of water from Lidl. Yeah, fantastic. So yeah, I've got a bit to do today. I was hoping I could finish the paint, but I don't think I'll be able to do that today. Let's finish all the paint. My next step after that will be to finish the gravel. I don't know if I want the red now because it's not as good as I thought it would be. I know it's a bit dusty. I want to wash it with water the top layer and just see if that gets rid of the dust and see if it's any redder. But yeah, so that's literally in a nutshell what I'm doing. So, quick once over. So behind me, here with the spray booth. Okay, so we'll have the spray booth here. I'll have some stairs coming from here, right, up the top here, sorry, going down, up to the mezzanine. So I have got some plans actually, I'll upload those as well. So that's my main priority, to be fair, is get the spray booth up and running, because without the spray booth up and running, I'm not earning no money. So, yeah. So, But I say that, I can earn money if I want, but then I won't be able to do no work because my trade is mobile spraying cars, mobile ones. So there'll be bumper work, door work, wing work, bonnet work. Bonnets I tend to say no and steer away from because we're outside. But primarily it's doors, wings, rear quarters, bumpers. But I'm transitioning over to doing just bumpers because I can get 4 done a day, and if I'm charging $250 per repair, you know, you can do the maths. It makes sense, doesn't it? So yeah. Anyway, so Danny, Davey, Benny, thank you for watching the video. Don't like and subscribe because you'll probably get bored to death. See you on the next video.